Namaskar friends, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, in today's video, we'll guide you in constructing diverse sentences in Hindi, particularly when describing someone engaged in running activities. Now, running is known as daudna in Hindi. Now, normally, if I have to say, I'm running, the construction of the sentence is first comes I, that is the subject pronoun, followed by am, which is the present tense of the verb to be, and then comes running, which is the verb of to run. But in Hindi, the order changes. In Hindi, we say I running am. So I remains the same, that is subject pronoun, which is मैं in Hindi. Running is known as दौड़ना. Now, since we are talking in present tense, we would say दौड़. And am becomes रहा हूँ if it's a boy. If it was a girl, she would say मैं दौड़ रही हूँ. So the structure of sentence in Hindi is subject pronoun followed by the verb to run and then followed by the verb that is the present tense of to be. Let's understand with the help of some more examples. If a boy says, I am running, it means मैं दौड़ रहा हूँ. If a girl says, I am running, she would say, मैं दौड़ रही हूँ. If a girl says, he is running, he becomes वह. So, वह दौड़ रहा है because it's a boy. Now, if someone says, she is running, then it becomes वह दौड़ रही है. Right? So, रहा है means you are referring to someone who is masculine. And रही है means you are referring to someone who is a feminine. Now, if a boy says, dad is running, in Hindi we would say, पापा दौड़ रहे हैं. If a kid would say, mummy is running, then they would say, mummy दौड़ रही है. If they say, I am running with my friends, then it would be मैं अपने दोस्त के साथ दौड़ रहा हूँ because it's a boy who is saying that he is running. Now, if a girl were to say the same thing, she would say मैं अपनी दोस्त के साथ दौड़ रही हूँ. मैं अपनी दोस्त के साथ दौड़ रही हूँ. Now, if I say Rani is running, then we would say Rani दौड़ रही है. And if we have to say that Raj is running, we would say Raj दौड़ रहा है. Now, if we have to say they are running, then we would say वे दौड़ रहे हैं. So, they becomes वे. So, they are running becomes वे दौड़ रहे हैं. Now, if someone says the dog is running, then we would say कुत्ता दौड़ रहा है. Now, if someone says the cat is running, then we would say बिल्ली, that is the Hindi equivalent of cat, दौड़ रही है. Now, if we have to say rabbits are running, we would say खरगोश दौड़ रहे हैं. So, rabbit is खरगोश. खरगोश दौड़ रहे हैं. Now, if we say cheetah is running, then we would say चीता दौड़ रहा है. And if we have to say lion is running, we would say शेर दौड़ रहा है. Now, if we have to say a tiger is running, we would say बाघ दौड़ रहा है. Because the Hindi word for tiger is बाघ and the Hindi word for lion is शेर. Now, if we have to say Raj is not running, then what will we say? We will say Raj दौड़ नहीं रहा है. So, not becomes नहीं in Hindi. So, Raj is not running. Raj दौड़ नहीं रहा है. Normally, if we would say Raj is running, we would say Raj दौड़ रहा है. When we say Raj is not running, we add not between Raj दौड़ and रहा है, and the Hindi equivalent of not is नहीं. So we say Raj दौड़ नहीं रहा है. Now if you have to say grandma cannot run or my grandma cannot run, then you would say मेरी दादी और मेरी नानी दौड़ नहीं सकती. So if you're talking about your maternal grandmother, you would say मेरी नानी दौड़ नहीं सकती. And if you were talking about your paternal grandmother, you would say मेरी दादी दौड़ नहीं सकती. Similarly, if you have to say a fish cannot run, then you would simply say मछली दौड़ नहीं सकती. And friends, this wraps up our exploration of short sentences with running in Hindi. Remember, if you master these simple and powerful structures, you can add depth and vitality to your spoken Hindi. So, keep practicing, keep refining, and keep watching these videos if you want to improve your Hindi. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, keep running with your words in Hindi. Take care and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.